Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on October 24, 2025, about 3 days ago. The Big Hook is an end-to-end reasoning agent that unifies autonomous thinking, dynamic tool discovery, and real action execution. And it posts strong wins like 89.0% on TMDB and 75.4% on Spotify. The paper is titled DeepAgent, a general reasoning agent with scalable toolsets, and the implications for long-horizon agents are quite significant. In short, the system compresses history via memory folding and trains tool use, with a reinforcement learner called ToolPO, delivering consistent gains across labeled tool and open set retrieval tasks. Also, the author shared a GitHub repo. You'll find the full DeepAgent code in src, configs and data samples, a requirements file, and clear setup steps. The README walks through LLM model serving, configuration, and run commands from multiple benchmarks, plus a tool search server, demo videos, and evaluation scripts. Alright, Figure 1 highlights that the agent consistently outperformed workflow baselines across tool use tasks and downstream applications. The left panel compares success on datasets like ToolBench and Spotify, where the solid bars reach further because the agent finds and invokes tools more reliably. The right radar chart summarizes application scores, and higher traces near the outer ring indicate stronger results. Together, these plots indicate broad, stable gains across settings. Figure 2 contrasts 3 agent styles and shows why the proposed flow matters. The left panel depicts predefined cycles that act step by step without true autonomy. The middle panel adds limited research tools, so the agent still hits a ceiling when tasks need diverse actions. The right panel presents a continuous agentic reasoning process, meaning the model plans, searches, calls tools, and summarizes in one flow. This unified loop enables dynamic tool discovery and coherent execution across long tasks. Well, Figure 3 shows a unified agent loop that discovers tools, executes actions, and periodically folds memory so long tasks stay coherent. Memory folding means the agent compresses the interaction history into episodic, working, and tool memories, which reduces context bloat while keeping essentials. The lower right block depicts ToolPO training with a tool simulator, which is a stand-in for real APIs to keep rollouts stable and cheap. Fine-grained advantage attribution rewards correct tool call tokens, so the policy learns precise tool use. So Figure 3 covered how the loop and training work. Table 1 reports main results across tool use benchmarks. The takeaway is clear. The end-to-end agent leads both with labeled tools and with open set retrieval, which means the system must find the right tools at runtime. In labeled settings, success reaches about 89% on TMDB. In open set settings, success reaches about 64% on ToolBench. The upper block lists labeled tools, and the lower block lists open set retrieval results. Okay. Table 2 shows that downstream applications favor continuous reasoning because tool use stays inside the thinking loop. Pass at 1 means the agent succeeds on the first attempt. The bottom block highlights the 2 DeepAgent variants, with the reinforcement-trained model hitting 92% on ALF World. Scores also rise on GAIA to about 53, beating other 32B systems. WebShop reaches roughly 34, and HLE is about 20, indicating consistent cross-domain gains. Wrapping up, 2 takeaways stand out. The unified reasoning loop with memory folding keeps long tasks coherent and efficient, and ToolPO reinforcement learning teaches precise, scalable tool use that translates into strong, cross-domain results. The broader implication is practical autonomy for real applications that mix many tools and long interactions. That is it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Thanks for listening.